Hi, it's Susie Rhodes with Past Masters. In this video, I'm going to talk a little bit about health insurance underwriting and how it all works today. So when you apply for your health insurance, the first question that I will ask is, what kind of a policy are you buying? So we have broad categories of health insurance. We have medical expense policies. We have disability income. And then we have things like critical illness plans, commonly called cancer insurance. We have dental insurance. All right, so these are the three main categories that we need to have a basic understanding about. So when we're buying medical expense policies today, we have the Affordable Care Act that says that anyone can get medical expense coverage. And there can be no probationary period. No probationary period. So pre-existing conditions cannot be excluded from coverage for a specified period of time. So the Affordable Care Act requires that, which is great. Because in the old days, you would go to try to buy medical expense insurance and your pre-existing conditions in the previous year would be on probation for up to a year. And that was very, very frustrating. Plus, the insurance company could always say no. Today, you can always get medical expense coverage. It is guaranteed issue. Guaranteed issue. So there is the healthcare exchange, and anyone can get it. Now, does it have a premium? Certainly. And you may or may not qualify for a subsidy. There's so much that goes into that. That is not what I'm going to cover in this video. But just this idea that you can get medical expense coverage no matter what, and that your premiums are based on not gender, because gender is prohibited, but they're based on your age, where do you live, what type of coverage are you purchasing? So there's HMOs and PPOs and major medical policies that you can choose from. Type of coverage. Does it cover any dependents? That will change your premium, of course. Are you a smoker? So the smoker surcharge can be up to 50% of the regular premium. However, some states prohibit a smoker surcharge, which is really interesting to me, but okay. Some states say you can't charge a smoker more. This is just a general video. General health insurance exam. Medical expense. Anyone can get it. Individual policy, group policy, where you work. Nobody can be told no anymore. Disability income may have a probationary period, may have a pre-existing condition clause, may have a probationary period. So pre-existing conditions go back. They're on probation for a period of time. Pre-existing condition clause. Disability income is an income replacement policy in the event that you are unable to go to work. There are various different definitions of total disability. The total disability could be from your job or any job, depends upon what you can afford for a premium. If it's your job, it's a more expensive premium. Some policies cover total disability only. There's going to be a benefit period. How long would they cover that for? It's a monthly benefit if you can collect. Some policies also cover partial disability, some cover residual disability, and some cover recurrent disability. So disability income. If it's purchased on an individual level, it ensures your net income. The benefit is not taxable. If it is a group policy, it ensures your gross income and the benefit attributable to the employer paid premium is taxable. so disability income. And then lastly, these specific types of plans: critical illness, cancer insurance, dental insurance. When you go to buy health insurance, there's going to be underwriting that occurs. And the underwriting that occurs is going to be this: they may pull your credit report, governed under the Fair Credit Reporting Act. They may get information from your doctor and then submit codes to the Medical Information Bureau. Life and health insurers are members of the MIB. The MIB has codes related to medical conditions and avocations, hobbies that a person may have that would be important that other insurance companies were made aware of. So the MIB report. So of course you can't pull someone's credit. You can't check their MIB without their written notice being given to them and authorization being granted for the insurance company to pull those types of reports. So the application is taken, the producer collects the application, signs the application. They're not a party to the contract. The insured owner, often the same people when we're talking health insurance, and then it's sent off to the underwriter. The underwriter's job is to classify the risk. Is it a preferred risk who has a least expensive premium? Is it a standard risk, which is the normal risk, or is it a substandard risk? So the first thing that the insurance company is going to do, now we're talking here for disability income, critical illness could be doing this, dental insurance could be doing this, not medical expense. But when they find someone has health-related issues, they can charge a higher premium, make it a substandard rate, charge a surcharge. Or they can add an impairment rider, which takes away coverage for a specific medical condition or takes away coverage for a specific hobby. That's up to the underwriter. When a counteroffer is made, it must be accepted by the applicant. If it's a surcharge, then an additional premium must be collected. So if the application did not include the initial premium, the producer that receives the policy goes back to the client, gets a statement of continued good health, collects that initial premium because coverage is never effective until a valid premium has been paid. Insurance contracts are legal contracts. They must have the 4 elements that are required to have any legal contract, which we remember with the acronym of COAL, which is consideration, offer, and acceptance, legal purpose, and capacity. That is a very short review of some health insurance underwriting concepts that you need to know for your test. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn those notifications on. If you would like to check out past master's course offerings or to enroll in any of our programs, there is a link in this video's description. Thank you so much for watching. Keep up the good work. Happy studies. Study, 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 pass.